Hey guys, Chef Josh here at the kitchen. This time I'm showing you how to make lobster bites with cucumber. Okay. In our last video, I showed you how to make a lobster roll. This one is all cucumber bites with lobster. Okay, so my remaining tail that was left, I cut it in half, like such. I cut it lengthwise and I diced it up. Okay, and then I quarter-inch sliced cucumber. So that way they're not too thin. They won't be falling off. You can have a nice bite to them. Okay. Um, I'll be using similar ingredients. I have my Japanese mayo, which is also known as Kewpie mayo. Do about a teaspoon of that. Okay. And this time I'll be adding just a pinch of sea salt. Okay, where's my sea salt? Okay. Okay, and then instead of using the yuzu ponzu, I'll do just the crispy garlic. Okay. And I'll go ahead and give it a nice mix, nice stir. After it's stirred up, I'll go ahead and add my green onion to it. Okay. Yes, I'm a mistake. Let's do a little bit more. Okay, enough. Set that aside. Go ahead and mix. Okay, let's find a plate, and then we'll go ahead and plate it. This can be used as a nice, light party appetizer. You don't have to get too complicated. You can see. Okay, you can use your hands. This is what I'll be doing. Set them on top. So, okay. Okay. I have a little bit of spill there, but that's okay. Well, I ran a little short on the meat here, so I'll be stealing it off of the other ones. Let's see if we can even this out. Okay. Okay, guys, so I have my lobster uh, cucumber bites plated. What I'll be adding next is black truffle compound butter. Just throw it lightly on top. Just a small smudge. Yes, this is a real black truffle butter. This isn't like one of the oil, perfumed oil truffle butters. This is the real deal. Again, this is specialty item. I'll be throwing that on 2 or 4 of those, and then for the other 4. So what I'll do for the ones with the truffle butter, I'll go ahead and lightly torch it. I want to make sure the butter melts. As you can see, it's melting right on the lobster. God, wow. I just want to give it a quick little sear. Nothing too crazy. Because we don't want to burn that truffle. Okay, the goal here is to just give it a nice touch of heat. Okay, such wonderful. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and garnish that with a little bit of dill. Such. Okay. And for the remaining four, I have this beautiful Russian Citra caviar, which I'll be using as a garnish. I can pop this open. What do you know? Yeah. Put that here. Before we plate it, let's give it a little taste. That's fantastic. So, a little smudge there. A little smudge over here. Put on that guy as well. Well, I feel like throwing a little bit more on this guy. You just cannot never have enough caviar, right? Okay, so that's pretty much it. We have our lobster cucumber bites done two ways. One with Russian Citra and the other one with black truffle butter. Cheers.